Hi there, welcome to another fast and fun video. This week, unfortunately, we're not driving the cars, we're actually looking at headlights, and specifically my Clio182 cloudy headlights that are in really poor condition. So when I bought the car a few weeks ago, it was one of the first must-do things that I wanted to really bring the front end up. I'm using a Autoglym restoration kit. I've never done this before. It seems quite self-explanatory. 3 stages. 1 is preparation, 2 is sanding, 3 is polishing. How flippin' easy can that be? You need some tape as well, which I've got, a few more rags, some water spray, and clearly a drill to help with the sanding. Right, let's get cracking on stage 1, the prep. So that's stage 1 done. Took about 10 minutes each headlight. It was piss. Take your time, get into all the nooks and crannies going all around the headlight. Obviously lift the bonnet as well. I've put about 4 layers of tape on as well, so it's quite thick. About 2 or 3 inches out as well, should the drill slip. Simple, easy. On stage 2, which is drill with the drill piece in place, and then there's 4 grades of sandpaper, starting with coarse, obviously going through to finer. Sand away, wiping away, let the fun begin. Let's hope it's as easy as stage 1. Here we go with stage 2. So that's the end of stage 2. Used the 4 different grades of sandpaper. It took about 40 minutes, this one headlight. I've progressively gone down to the P3000 right at the end. That's stage 2 complete. The finishes, it feels smooth, but it's not clear yet. Let's hope stage 3, the polishing, gets it up to speed. So there we go, that's stage 3 complete. Did the polishing, about 10 minutes. I redid the P3000 on one little section, but the polishing's absolutely brought it out, and it's gone really well. The headlight looks fantastic when I compare it to the other one. Let me just quickly show you now. So that's the headlight finished there. Really pleased with that. It's took all the cloudiness off. It looks absolutely great. That's the one I haven't done yet. You can see how cloudy and scratched that headlight is. So a big thumbs up to the Autoglym headlight restoration kit, because I think it's done a great job. All in about 2.5 hours from start to finish for both headlights. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and keep watching, because there'll be another video coming up very soon.